Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. So in today's video, just wanted to give you an update on the market as a whole and really touch on GALA. So wanted to talk about GALA, have a look at some recent events, and obviously just take a look at I guess the charts and see what the price is doing at the moment. So if we get straight into it and have a look at the market first. So the market is up 1.4%, currently trading at 1.12 trillion. In the top 10 tokens, there's not really been much movement, to be honest. Bitcoin's up 0.5, ETH is up 0.3, and so on. Dogecoin is down 0.9, so almost 1%, and Polygon is up 1%. If I sort this by top 24, and we can see what's running at the moment. So the graph is up 43%. So hopefully, guys, you did see my my video that I made on the graph, and you did potentially DCA into the graph. And yeah, you'll be sitting on a fairly decent bag at the moment if that was the case. But yeah, Singularity Net as well is literally running, so the AI narrative seems to be kicking off again. Singularity Net is up 30%, Fetch AI is up 22%, and yeah, seems to be doing real well. And Immutable X is currently trading at over $1 again, so up 15.5% in the last 24 hours. And a lot of these other coins have been pumping as well. So if we take a look at GALA now, so let's just pull that up. So GALA, load it up here. So we can see currently down 1.5% in the last 24 hours and trading around 5 cents. So from a market cap perspective, 396 million still makes it relatively small, and a fully diluted valuation of 2 billion. So what we can tell from having a look at those two figures is that there's still a fair few tokens to be released into the ecosystem. And with GALA, so in the short space of time, so in 2023, they've literally been coming out with a lot of announcements. Bought a mobile gaming studio. They've partnered with the likes of Dwayne Johnson and Mark Wahlberg. They've been working on their film industry, their film crypto industry. They've been working on their music and from a music aspect area as well, and yeah, been delivering more on games as well. So they have literally been delivering in each area of their developments. So with their music nodes, their film nodes, their music industry, their film industry, and their gaming as well. So yeah, they've literally been doing really well. So that is reflected in the price here. So you can see in the last 30 days, the token is up 125%, or call it 126%. So doing really well over the course of the last 30 days. So literally GALA has started off the year with a bang, to be honest, and they continue to develop and continue to grow. If we take a look at their Twitter account, so we can see here GALA was nominated actually and won the award for where's it gone? So Studio of the Year. So Studio of the Year, they won that award, and they were up against the likes of, so let's just pull this up, Illuvium, Mythical Games. So obviously Illuvium is massive as well. Big Time Studios, which is another huge player. AMGI Studios. So yeah, they're pretty much up against some of the best of them. And hats off to GALA for being nominated as Studio of the Year, which is huge, to be honest. So that's bullish for GALA and bullish for the space. And just some other announcements here, a bit about the gameplay for The Walking Dead as well. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of like Grand Theft Auto in the old days. Yeah, for a crypto game, it's pretty cool though. So looking good from that perspective. Take a look at the charts here. So I'm looking at GALA USDT on the 8 hourly. So we can see, what did I do there? Just give me a second. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that line there. Okay, so we can see basically that we had the golden cross that came on January 23rd. So we had the golden cross, and the price literally just shot up from that point onwards. So we kind of went away from this trend line, and now what's happened is we've pulled back to the 50 EMA as a level of support. And also on the stochastic RSI, we've got the reset just below here. So we've got a little reset on on the two lines that you can see, the two trend lines. So what we're saying is that we are in a oversold position, and we're kind of moving now to the upside. So potentially what I'd see from here is that we're using this 50 EMA as a level of support, and we'll probably end up bouncing up to 0.055, and if we break that key level, then the next move up will be the 0.06 level, so 6 cents could be the next move. So that's currently how I'm kind of seeing it play out in maybe the next week or so. Overall, like I said, I'm bullish on GALA. So just in terms of news, I guess there's been some news around so Vantage Point AI adds cryptocurrency GALA to predictive forecasts. So if I just load this up, we can see what this is about. So Vantage Point AI adds cryptocurrency GALA to predictive forecasts for independent traders. And just to give you a little bit of insight about what Vantage Point is, it seems like it's a AI driven platform. So allows for trades to be made, predict market moves. So you could do them in advance. So data points processed daily. So there's like millions of data points that are processed, input values, and you can see here individual markets. There's over like 2,000 individual markets. So that's pretty bullish. And yeah, just a little bit more. Obviously, guys, have a look at Vantage Point and see, what they're about and so on. But some of these stats and figures look pretty impressive. So 10 million plus was put into the research and development for Vantage Point. 30 plus years experience of using AI. Company established in 1979. So yeah, overall it looks pretty good. And also here, one of the key takeaways. So advanced with up to 87.4% accuracy. So apparently Vantage Point gives you 87.4% accuracy. So overall, that's pretty good that, now they're offering GALA as well. Obviously, it helps the token reach a new customer base as well. So yeah, it just makes them greater for that kind of mass adoption, if that makes sense. So yeah, overall, that is good news, I guess, for GALA now partnering with the likes of Vantage Points as well, or at least Vantage Point offering the GALA token on their platform. So overall, pretty good. And yeah, guys, hit me up on the comments below. Let me know what you think about GALA. And obviously, you guys know I'm mega bullish on it. Have been bullish on GALA for some time now, and it's reflected in a lot of the videos that I've done in the past as well. But overall, mega bullish on GALA. Hit me up in the comments below. Feel free to check out my Patreon for £3 a month, and on there I do post about some early plays as well, and just give you a bit of insight about some of the moves that I'm making. So feel free to check it out. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.